Yeah, so basically, first thing to indicate is black, black. These just have like a, what is that, like a screw?
Yeah.
And then silver, silver. And so, black and silver. Yep, just all the way. Oops. Remember, you're going the wrong way. Yeah, you gotta go see that arrow? This one right here?
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
So you gotta follow the arrow on
So
it.
give just one more smidgy. You just want it nice and hand tight.
Okay.
You know?
You don't want to tighten it too tight.
Yeah, I don't. You know, I tend to. I've been told that you can put a lot of stress on the gear if you crank it, which is why when we pulled it off, they were pretty tight. You gotta be careful, because really they're all going in different directions. So
Yeah.
they're
Like these go, you tighten them to the left. These ones you tighten to the right.
yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, this is the charging unit. So the default charger that comes with DJI has like a Y plug, charges the remote, and one charges the battery. And then when we get ready, we have the USB for the Samsung or the Apple, and then you plug it in, and then this cradle holds the cell phone, which will be your display. So we can turn the drone on
How?
without, you know, we're not going to fly yet, okay? But so it's the same thing here, just click and then hold down,
Okay.
and then let go.
It ticked.
Yep. Now see, that camera was doing some funky stuff, but it might be because Mike lifted it. Okay, now look. Okay. So because your first time, you gotta go through these questions.
Start flying. That's
Okay.
what we're getting
This
to.
is the main menu.
Why are you doing this?
Okay, so now we're gonna go outside and we're gonna calibrate it first. So it'll give us mad words. We're not gonna do crazy. We're not gonna go long. Let's just even see if this guy flies.
Okay, rotate vertically.
Go like this for the vertical. And you're just doing a 360-degree turn. So now it's calibrated, so it basically knows where it's at.
Your aircraft was entered as enhanced warning zone, recreational airport. Please fly with caution to continue flying.
You can't hit
I
it.
agree.
Oh, I agree. There you go. It was a warning, basically telling her she's near an airport because there's different zones, and DJI wants you guys to basically accept terms that you're aware that you're in that zone. Okay, so this is camera mode, right? Mm-hmm. No, this is camera mode. This is video mode. This is really lower. So if you click on these settings, okay, you expect these settings. So you can go auto, which I would suggest for now, you know, just to see it. White balance, go ahead and click that. I would just go with auto, even though it might change on you. Actually go with sunny, because it's really sunny, you know it is. If you go with auto, it'll change midair. Then here under your video size, if you click here,
Are you gonna fly it yet or no?
yeah, we're gonna fly it after this.
Okay.
You gotta put the chip in.
We're gonna format the card. Micro SD. And we're gonna put it on the side here. Okay, it's actually on this side. Oh, and there's already a card in there. We're gonna take it out. We don't know what's on it. Okay, and you just push it in. It's right in there. Okay, so now, go back to that menu. There's an option for that SD card. Take off on your own if you want, but it's as simple as push button. They really do everything auto for you. So you'll see this button right here. When you hit it, don't hit it yet. It'll spin and take off. And what it's doing is referencing this point as a landing point. So So when we want to come home, we just hit this home button and we'll come right back here.
Okay.
And land on its own.
Cool.
We'll stay auto first, but you'll learn as you go how to do it on your own. Okay? So go ahead and strike that button.
Towards me.
A little slower, a little slower. There you go. There you go. Actually, not a bad idea. Try to get like a shot of the back of your car. Just don't crash into it. So turn the camera facing the back, right? Other way. There you go. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, that's about right. Now straighten up with the back and get as close as you can. You've got plenty of room. I'll tell you once you get into a danger zone. But whatever you feel comfortable with. Try to get a close shot, you know?
Yeah.
This is the test.
That was cool.